Peace, y'all. It's your girl, Mama Mala. Yes, malaesoteric. And today I'm going to be showing y'all quickly because I ran out of my all-purpose cleaning in the house. I'm going to show y'all how I make mine real quick. Okay, this is going to be a all-natural, chemical-free vibe. So yeah. The last one I made was made out of vinegar. It was vinegar based. Today's version is going to be castor soap based because I want to try something else. Something to get a little bit more, I don't know. I want a little bit of a foam or a base that will give me a grit, like a little clean. Vinegar is clear. It gets it, it's acidic, so it does clean and clean well, but you can't really see and get that feel, that consistency that the soap vibe will. So this version will have some suds or whatnot. So yeah, this is all natural, but it's not really, I don't know if it's chemical free because it's alcohol chemical. Hold on, let me see. So yeah, back on that ass with some facts. So rubbing alcohol is organic, is natural, but it is chemical, but it's a natural one. So there's that. So we're going to not say chemical free. We're going to say all natural and organic. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. So I like to start off with my rosemary. Okay, I like to start off this rosemary infinite. Ooh, she just busted open. I like to start off with putting my herb in first. And let's do up and stuck. Period. Alright. And then I'm going to start off with the castor soap. That's what I'm going to do. Y'all do what y'all do. I'm going to do what I do. And because you're really not supposed to put brands on the YouTube, I'm going to just face it to me. My castor soap is lavender base. It's a lavender base. So I'm going to put a nice amount because this is an intuitive blend, an intuitive mix. Okay. And soap goes a long way. So we're going to do that. Then I'm going to add my purified water that I'm going to pray on. Okay. We can take it a step further if we would like and put it inside the singing bowl and give it a few tings. Ashe. Okay. You can take it another step further if you would like. Give it to the light. Also, spin it around. Put it inside the singing bowl and give it a little vibe. Because I have my phone propped up on my singing bowl, I'm not going to do that. But I can always, when I'm done with my creation, I can put this inside the singing bowl and elevate it, take it up a notch. Okay, because this is a all-purpose cleaner in all realms. So it is for spiritual cleansing as well. Everything I do is with that intention. So I'm going to do a little more than half for now. Okay, I'm going to cover up the rosemary. Okay, you see. And then I'm going to add some rubbing alcohol. Like I said, this is an intuitive mix that I am crafting. Okay, I didn't look up how to make it. I'm making my own cleaner and seeing what it gives. Gonna add some blessed Florida water. Florida water, let me tell y'all, it does not come prepped for spiritual use at CVS. You can't just buy Florida water from CVS and think that it's going to give what you need it to give. Magic must be done. Anything can be used and infused with your prayer and energy. So, Florida water does not just come ready to use for spiritual purposes. Okay, and because I only had a little bit, I'm gonna add some more alcohol. Okay. And then I'm going to add a little more water. And now I'm going to add some lemon essential oil that I just spilled all on the outside. See, we in motherland. And I know, like, where my mother at? I'm trying to take this little stopper situation off so I can get more of the oil. And something is telling me to add some Palo Santo in here. So I'm gonna probably do that later and let that be a cleansing wood that stays into it. Finally got it. Okay. Some lemon, some eucalyptus. Okay, there we go. Let it drop like that. And I don't have any fresh Palo Santo down here. So I'm not going to use the one that's looking at me that I would typically use. Alright, so that is all the ingredients. Honestly, I wanted to squeeze some lemon juice in here, but the lemongrass is fine. This is just to give you a basic idea of how simple, how easy it is to make your own organic, natural cleaning products for your home. And you just hit it off like that, like here, like so, to give it a good mix. So you can see the bubbles that are made. I don't want it too crazy, too soapy. So, and I'm going to sample it. Just give me a minute, because I have a stain on my desk. And if y'all haven't already,
click like and subscribe. Click like
and subscribe. I'm going to test it out right here, right now. Because I have no idea what this is on my desk. Smells amazing. to clean that. This is a burn. Don't mind that. I have plenty of them on my desk, but the other thing is gone. Okay. Nice and clean. I'm actually going to use this for my phone. I see some sticky stuff on my phone. I don't know what my kids did, but there you go. So there you have it. This is our all-natural, all-purpose cleaner, Castile soap base. Okay, if you want, you can add some Mo. Okay, however, this is the Castile soap I use for my body, so I'm not trying to use too much. I hope you enjoyed. Would love to hear how yours comes out. Peace and love.